What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a brand new video. I hope you guys are doing great and I hope you're having an amazing day. In today's video, as you read the title, I'm gonna show you how to identify hidden divergences when trading Forex. Recently, I've made a YouTube video on regular divergences. If you don't know how to spot regular divergences, I highly recommend you go watch that video first and then come back to this one, okay? In this video, I'm going to show you how to identify hidden divergences, and in the next video that I will post on YouTube, I'm going to show you a very profitable strategy that can help you pass your FTMO account, that can help you be profitable on your own personal account, that's also using these hidden divergences. All right, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel, have that notification bell turned on to not miss out on any future uploads. And of course, make sure to stick till the end of the video to get the most value out of it. Feel free to share and like the video. That will be very much appreciated. As always, drop a comment if you have any questions. I always make sure to check them out. All right. Also, feel free to check out my free signal group and join it by clicking the link down below. And also, if you wanna book a one-on-one session with me or learn the strategies in my mentorship, make sure to DM me privately on Telegram. Link is also down below. And if you want to sign up with the broker I use as well, link down below. All right, so let's get straight into the video. What are hidden divergences? Well, hidden divergences can be of two types. You can have a hidden bullish divergence when market is trending upwards, or we can have a hidden bearish divergence when market is trending downwards. All right, so basically what I'm saying is, when the market is in an uptrend, you should look for hidden bullish divergences, and when the market is in a downtrend, you should look for hidden bearish divergences. All right, you guys know that regular divergences are for trend reversals usually, but hidden divergences are for trends continuations. Okay, that's the difference between them. All right, so now you might ask, well, how can I identify a hidden bullish or a hidden bearish divergence? Well, with the help of the RSI. All you need to do is go here, search RSI, select this one, it will appear here, and then all you have to do is just go on it and on style, leave everything as default, go on style and untick this RSI based MA, sorry. After that, you're set. Okay, so with the help of the RSI, you will be able to identify hidden bullish and hidden bearish divergences. Okay, so how can you identify? Let me scroll through the chart. You can be able to spot hidden divergences on every single time frame. It's not only on the M15, as a disclaimer. Okay, so let me see a trending market, and then I will show you. Okay, so boom, here we have a first example. So as you can see, market is in a uptrend here. Okay, it's moving upwards on the M15. We can draw a trend line for us to see better. Now, when the market creates a higher low, look, we have a higher high right here, higher low, higher high, and a new higher low right here. All right, we must be able to read market structure. Okay, if you don't know how to read market structure, I also have a video about that on my YouTube channel. Please make sure to check it out and then come back to this video, okay? Because if you don't know what market structure is, you won't be able to identify the hidden divergences. Also, for the people that do not have time to trade Forex every single day or still struggle being profitable while trading Forex, but still want to get setups like this, I highly recommend you check out my free signal group on Telegram. The link is down below. This setup was literally sent today. It was a buy limit pending order. All we do is send pending orders, because like this, every single one of you will be able to make profits from the signals, and this one was sent in the VIP. Of course, if you want to upgrade to the VIP, where we do VIP live weekly coaching sessions every single week, you can do that from the free signal group. Okay, enjoy and thank me later. And then what you need to look when you are in an uptrend, you need to look at the higher lows on the chart, and then at the higher lows on the RSI. So as you can see right here, we have a higher low right here and the higher low right here upwards, but on the on the RSI we have a higher low right here, okay, and a lower low right here. So this right here is a hidden bullish divergence. All right, as you can see, this higher low on the RSI was broken. You can literally put a horizontal ray on it, and as you can see, it was broken by this lower low that was actually a higher low on the chart. Okay, so after that, knowing you are in an uptrend, you could start looking for buys. Like you could have got this engulfing right here, enter a buy, stop loss right below, and take profit this structure level right here. But this is just basic. Okay, I'm just giving an example on how you could enter using hidden divergences. All right, so very simple to see. If you see a higher low forming on a chart, but you see a lower low forming on the RSI, then that's a hidden bullish divergence. Okay, it's very simple to see. So now let me see if I can find a sell example as well. Remember, I'm making this video for you guys to understand how to spot them, and in the next video I will upload a very profitable strategy using the hidden divergences and other indicators, okay, as a confluence, and you will see how good that strategy can be. Okay, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Okay, so now let's find a downtrending market and see if I can find a hidden bearish divergence example. Man, the market was really choppy lately, not gonna lie, man, really choppy, like legit. Look, boom, we have a clear downtrend right here. So let's see if we can spot some hidden bearish divergences. Boom, straight off the bat we can see we have a lower low right here, then we created a lower high, then we created a new lower low right here, then we created a lower high, and then we created a lower low. Okay, so now we have a lower high right here that created a lower high right here, lower high, lower high. But if we look at the RSI, we can see that we have a lower high right here, okay, that created a higher high right here. So this is a signal that, okay, this is a hidden bearish divergence on a downtrend, and you could look for a sell opportunity. Okay, because you know you are in a downtrend, you also saw you have a hidden bearish divergence, so more than likely price will continue to the downside. As you can see, if you want to be more clear, you can just put a horizontal ray, and as you can see, this lower high right here was broken by this higher high, but in reality this was a new lower high. Okay, so that's a signal for a hidden bearish divergence, and you could have entered a sell based of that, of course, and another confluences. And as you can see, you could have caught a very good trade. All right, so let me scroll and find one or two more examples. And I highly recommend you, after you watch this video, just go on the charts, any single time frame, doesn't matter. You can go on the 1 minute, 5 minute, weekly, monthly, doesn't really matter, on any pair, of course, on SPX, gold, AU, AJ, like it doesn't really matter. Okay, you can spot hidden divergences on every single pair, every single asset. So make sure to do that, because like this you will be able to train your eye, okay, for the next video, to already know how to spot hidden divergences. Look, we have a small uptrend here. Let's see if we can find some hidden bullish divergences this time. Okay, so we are creating higher lows right here, but look, check this out, very slightly different, but it can be seen. So from here to here, market is upwards, higher low, because why? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. But let's look at the RSI. Check this out. We have a higher low here, but then we have a lower low here. So what does that mean? Well, that means we have a hidden bullish divergence. Sorry. You could have went on the 5 minute, find your entry, enter buy, and as you can see, price went upwards. So let's move on, see if we have one more here. It's looking normal. No, that was pretty much the example. Okay, we have normal price movement right here, and let's just look for one more before I wrap up the video. Man, but AU was really choppy lately. I'm not gonna lie, this is very choppy market structure. Before I continue with the video, guys, if you are looking for a broker to trade Forex with, indices or crypto, I highly recommend EuroTrader. You can sign up with them by clicking the link down in my video description. This is the broker that I am currently using. I had no issues with it. They offer spreads as low as 0 pips. They have different account types, leverage up to 500, and their customer support is amazing. They have credit card withdrawals and deposits. Everything is very professional about them, so that's why I highly recommend you guys to check them out. Okay, so link is down below. Feel free to sign up with EuroTrader. Yeah, so here, downtrend, very clear to see. We have a lower high right here. We have a lower high right here. Okay, let's just mark it. Boom, boom. But on the RSI, what do we have? We have a lower high and the higher high right here, like very slightly, very small difference, but it can be seen, you know, like this was a lower high, but this was a higher high, where in reality we have two lower highs. So then after you saw that a hidden bearish divergence is created, you could have waited, enter sell right here, and aim for whatever you want, okay, depending on your strategy, and you could have caught a very nice trade. But as I said, this video is not for showing you a strategy. I'm gonna leave that for the next video. But in this video, I just wanted to show you guys how you can identify hidden divergences. As I said, if you don't know how to identify regular divergences, make sure to watch that video firstly. Also, make sure you know how to read market structure. And if you know both of these, then just watch this video entirely and then just go on the charts and train your eye finding hidden divergences. All right, to be prepared for when I post the next video where I will share with you the strategy, okay, the very cool strategy. So yeah, this was pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to smash that like button and also share the video. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.